welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna do something super fun with Giselle. Yay! We are going to make a play activity with Jell-O! Yay! So before we get to it, if you like this type of content and you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe right now so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we are back 4 hours later. So I can't wait to see her reaction. Okay guys, look what it looks like. I can't wait for her to just dig in. She's already going for it. What is that? Come. Wow! Yummy! Donne la balle. Merci. Vas-y, vas-y. Va chercher, mets tes mains dedans. Non, non, non. Va chercher les autres. Oh, c'est bloqué. Faut le sortir. J'ai quoi ça? Mets dans la poche. Bravo! Good job, mommy. Is it good? What is that? That's your pizza. Good job. Bravo, mon bébé. Mettez-le dedans. I only to eat Jell-O. Did you know that? Tu savais? Maman pouvait seulement manger du Jell-O quand elle était à l'hôpital. Ah, c'est bon! Oh my goodness! Simple. She thinks this is real. Wow. Battery is about to die on my camera, so we're gonna let you guys go right now. But I think that this sensitivity play activity is a really good idea. She's gonna keep playing. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. All right, bye guys. Ciao, ciao.